the business landscape in the United States is always changing. New technologies, trends, and policies all contribute to the changing business landscape, since so many changes have been made in recent years. In 2022, the number of new businesses formed in the U.S. has remained higher than in the previous decade. High levels of unemployment, improved competence with technology, and simplified e-commerce and website creation services are considered significant factors among many others. In short, now is the best time to consider planning out profitable small business ideas. Have you been searching for the right unique small business ideas to try in 2022? You own your time, get a chance to do what you truly love, and most importantly, increase your earning capacity. So, in this video, we will discuss the Profitable Business Ideas 2022. Hello and welcome to my channel. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 1. E-commerce distribution center for small business. E-commerce or electronic commerce means buying and selling goods, products, or services over the internet. E-commerce is also known as electronic commerce or internet commerce. These services are provided online over the internet network. Transaction of money, funds, and data are also considered as e-commerce. E-commerce in the USA grew to over $450 billion in 2017, a 16% increase from 2016. However, with these enticing statistics, the huge presence of Amazon.com creates tough competition for small businesses. This business idea would help fix that by creating a service where small businesses can have their products shipped for storage and distribution, ultimately helping manage their online sales. This also takes out the complications of managing that operation for the small business owners. With the market set to grow further, this idea is one to watch. Number 2. Retail and distribution consulting. Retail sales consultants assist prospective clients with their product selections and then proceed to close sales. Most retail sales consultants work for cell phone carriers, though they may be employed in practically any sector. Completely free trial, no card required. Many retail's commercial spaces are becoming ghost towns as people continue to shift to purchasing stuff online. A unique trend that has already been established in China is using the retail outlet spaces for both customers and distributors. They shrink the front space to make room for a space in the back for distribution. To execute this idea, one could approach mid-sized companies with retail storefronts that do not get much foot traffic and consult them on how to better utilize their space. This will be a growing need for businesses as the e-commerce trend continues. Number 3. Security company, drone-powered. Historically, the military, private companies, and individuals needing security for a special event have relied on manpower for surveillance. Security personnel walk the area periodically to identify and tackle any security issues. This required significant manpower and left great room for error. With the use of drones, one can provide surveillance of large areas using thermal and HD cameras. It can also prevent the threat to human security employees from any harm from robbers or other threats. This is also an idea that can be started with little money, surprisingly. All you would need to do is buy a drone that is quiet and has thermal, noise, and HD capabilities. In total, it costs about $1,500 if you shop smart. Then you could go and get security contracts for large pieces of land. Number 4. Digital Assistant Integrations Company. When you hear the word digital assistant, what is the first thing that comes to mind? Is it a robot working alongside a human? A voice-controlled hologram? Many people used to imagine some fantastic form of artificial intelligence. These days, most people are more likely to think of Amazon's Alexa, Siri, or Google's Assistant. Many large corporations provide assistance to the executives. However, the one downfall is that the executives can work a lot longer than their assistants do, leaving them without help sometimes. With the growth and rise of artificial intelligence, AI, personal digital assistants could be the perfect replacement. If you have interest or knowledge in developing personal assistants for executives to process calls, book meeting times, flights, arrange printings, etc., then this idea would be perfect for you. Number 5. Personal cybersecurity software company. Cybersecurity companies earn money by offering any number of services to clients, including providing outsourced technical support, managed services, software tools, penetration testing, systems auditing, vulnerability analysis, and consulting. It can protect computers, networks, software, and data. Cyber attacks are performed to make unauthorized access, change, or destroy data, or extort the money. Ransomware, malware, social engineering, and phishing are some of the common types of cyber attacks. Cybersecurity threats continue to increase year over year, and the severity of the threats keeps increasing. For instance, look at the recent Equifax hack. Millions were affected. Almost everyone has a smartphone with several social media accounts, online banking, personal photos, and other important information. Many people don't have this protected. That's all for today. I hope you guys liked the video, and for more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you soon. Goodbye.